Okay, all right, let's start for today's lesson. Let's take a look at the question number 1. It's about the tank measuring 27, 40, 40. And this is being half filled with orange juice at first. So all the juice is going to pour into identical bottles. And these bottles will be 300 ml each. So first thing first is you must know how much is inside the tank first. So let's see 27, 40, 40. So that is the formula for volume, length and breadth times height. That will give you 432,000. Okay. And it is half filled with water, so orange juice, so remember to halve it. Okay, so you get 216,000, and then convert this to leave it to ml. So 216,000. Okay. How many such bottles will you need to fill the 300 ml? So you divide by 300, you get 72 bottles. Okay. Next question. A rectangular tank measuring 35, 20, and 30 is 3/5 filled with apple juice. Half of the apple juice is poured out. All right. And he wants it to be the container, the water volume of the apple juice that is left there. So now the thing is that we know that the volume will be 35, 20, 30, multiplied by 3/5 of the volume and pour out half, remain the half. So I do all in one step. Okay, times 3/5 times 0.5 equals to 6,300. Okay, this one quite easy one, All right. Question number 3. Okay, he wants the rectangular tank. It is filled with water, and he wants it to be 80%. So at first, the fraction is 310. All right. Then, which is equal to 30%. Let's put it this way. In the end, you must have 80%. So from here to here, you must increase by 50%. Am I right to say that? Okay. You must increase by 50%. So what is the thing that you must top it up to be 50%, to be 80% is you must increase the 50%. So that will give you 7,500. So let's do this. 50, 15, 20 multiplied by half. Okay, the half is here. So what do you get here is 7,500 centimeter cube. Then 7,500 cm cube. Convert it to ml first, then convert it to liters. 7.5 liters. Okay. Next question. You will have 4/7 of a rectangular fish tank base area is 1100 filled with water. Another 9.9 liter are needed to fill up to the brim. Okay. So this one will become the brim. 4/7 is filled it up. Okay. So when this is 4/7, then this one must be 3 out of 7. So meaning to say at first they must have 7 units, right? So let's take a look at the volume is 7 unit. Okay, do it in a different way. 4 unit is filled with water. Another 3 units, it filled up to the brim, which will give you 9.9 liters. So then after that, we'll need to find out what is the capacity here. So I need to find 7 units using overhead bridge, right? Overhead bridge means what? Means the one that I taught before, right? Okay, that will give you 23.1. Find the height of the water level in the tank. At first, okay, at first. What is the height of the thing at last? Because he needed to fill. Okay, so what is the height of the water in the fish tank? So I will have 23. Wait, I don't need to find the 4 units. I will find the 4 units instead. Okay, so 9.9 divided by 3 times 4. I will have 13.2. So 13.2 is my liters. I want to convert it to ml. Okay, so this is the capacity. With the base area, so we have the height, use volume to divide by 1,100. That gives you 12 centimeter. Okay. I explore more on what is called the overhead bridge for those who wants to do revision. Now, overhead bridge work this way. I have a 3 units. I have a 9.9. I equalize them because they are supposed to be unitary. Okay. So, of course, when you say I want to find 1 unit, is 9.9 divided by 3, right now. So, if you want to find 4 units, isn't it times 4? Correct or not? So, I come up with this special formula called overhead bridge. Now, you have to climb up escalator. Okay, take the escalator up. I give you 9.9. Then overhead bridge divide by 3 units. You get down your escalator, you must times 4. Okay, so 9.9 divided by 3 times 4. You get 13.2 for this one. Okay, so this is something new for those who wants to find out what is this about. Okay, Remus, go to the toilet. Okay. Yeah. Next question. You have a beaker, square base, a 30 centimeter, 1/4 filled with water. Another 48,510 centimeter cube of water was poured into the beaker. It became 5/6 full. Find the capacity of the beaker in liters. All right. So, the capacity of beaker first is 30 by 30 by 30. Right? Why 30 by 30 by 30? The capacity of the beaker in the 5/6 filled up. Find the capacity. Let me check. Oh, filled with water. Another was poured beaker. In liters. Okay, it was 5/6 filled. Oh, I think I know what happened. They didn't give you everything. So it's just say that there's a square base, right now. I almost got tricked to it. You see, it is only a quarter filled with the, right? Another so much of water, and then it became 5/6. So from 1/4, it became 5/6. So there is an increase right now. Increase by what is the fraction? 5/6 minus 1/4. So that is called the diff, right? 5/6 minus a quarter, you should get 7 out of 12. So you increase by this fractional. So the increase is 48,000, no? Meaning to say, this one is the 7 unit, while the beaker itself, right, is 12 units. Correct. All right. So now my 7 units will be 48,510. I use my overhead bridge. Remember I say, okay, let's check. Escalator, this, divide by this, multiply by 7. Okay? So 48,510 divided by this times 12. And I should get 83,160 ml. Okay? So I'm going to convert this ml into liter. So 1, 2, 3. Divide by 1,000. So I get 83.16 liters. Okay? Find the final height of the water in the beaker, then that's much simpler. Okay? That one you could have like gotten this first, B. Using the volume, right? The height is the volume over the base, right? What base is that? Area. So what do I have was do I need to find? Yes, I need to find the fill up one. How much is the volume we need to find, which is this one, fill up. Okay. So when this volume, I think I need to sidetrack the volume here. Okay. So to find volume, I have to do this. 6 fill up, right? So what must I do? I must find my 10 units. So again, I will have 4,8,510 divided by 7 times 10. And that will give me 69,300. Divided by base area of 1100. 7 times 10 equals 69. Not 1100. The base is 30. Ayo, that was the previous question. So 69,300 divided by the base area, I should get down to 77. Okay. I'm stopping to check in with some students. So far, how is it? Are you still copying the slides here? Okay. Okay. Now the message I sent to the students is only directly, yeah. Okay. So far, okay, Brian. Your yes, the answer yes is for the first question, yes, or the second question, yes. Mm. Okay, yeah. If there's nothing, then I'll leave it. Okay, a bit. Do anybody think that I'm going too fast? I slow down a bit. Okay, and let me ask. Even if you think it's too fast, a bit on Whatever, I want you to feedback correctly, accurately, okay?